Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Arpita. Today I'm gonna share with you all about the basic of making outline of any human sketch by using grid technique. For any sketch, making outline is very important to improve your sketch. Here I describe every main thing like measurement, maintain shape, proportion, size of any part of face, overall sketch. Basically, I do it in my sketch. So let's get into the video. At first, let me show you the instrument I use in this sketch. I use three types of pencil for making full sketch. Here is the 4B pencil. Most of the part like hair, dark shade of face, body, I use this pencil. This is a 2B pencil for outline and thin hair part. HB pencil for light shade. Charcoal stick for a smooth shade. A small soft dry brush for blending the small part of the body and other areas, small areas actually. This is the big dry brush. I use it for the blending the large part of the body and other areas. A black oil pastel for the background. Actually it gives more dark shade, so I use it for background and I also recommended it for you. And measurement scale. Okay. These all are the instruments I use to making this sketch. Okay, now at first which reference picture I'm going to do, I make a grid of that picture by using grid app. You can easily find it in Play Store. I grid this picture by using Snapseed app. I divided the whole picture in 9 small boxes. Okay. Then I take a art paper as the same proportion of this picture and divided it like this picture in 9 boxes. Then I take a scale and place it in it and divided the width in 3 parts. At the same way, I divided the length in 3 parts. I put up a mark in every 2.5 inch in width and 4 inch by length, as the total area of the every box is about 2.5 by 4 inch. Okay, our grid is ready. Let's make the outline now. I started with the upper second box. Okay. I mainly started with the nose portion actually. Anyways, you also can try in the specific areas like ears, nose, eyes, etc. I started with nose. Don't be scared if your lines are not perfect at the first time. Keep several lines that after giving it, you can easily realize which line is perfect. For making perfect outline, you have to observe the picture you are going to do. Okay. For outline, you don't need to maintain light and dark shade. Just focus the size and measurements, cause if your shape and size is perfect, the further arts become very easy for you. I draw the eyebrows. I marked two end of the eyebrows and try to do exactly the same areas in that present in the picture. Keep your hand free, don't keep so much pressure in it. Just move your hand gently and you focus mainly on the picture, not in your art. Just focus the picture and try to do exactly same in your art paper, okay? Give more time to make that outline because it is very important to making any sketch. If your outline is perfect, then by giving shade and light and dark shade and other things, your sketch is more perfect. So keep more important in your outline. You don't need to maintain, you don't need to realize, you don't need to have any knowledge of geometry. Just maintain the exact proportion, like your eyes with your eyes and nose with your lips. Just maintain the same proportion as we have. If you have only that knowledge, your outline is getting exactly the same at the picture. Okay, for basic outline, my eye, nose, lips is almost ready. Now I'm going to the chin area. And now the ear portion. My face is almost ready. Okay. Well, our outline is almost ready. I hope now it's easy for you all to make any kind of human face outline. In the next part, I will tell you about how you can make the realistic sketch and all things. Okay. So thanks for being with us. Assalamu alaikum.